Nutrition in man.
Classification of food. The nutrients in food can be classified into 6 categories: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, and water. Carbohydrates are the principal energy providing food. Carbohydrates are of 3 types: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Glucose, fructose, and galactose are monosaccharides. Sucrose, maltose, and lactose are disaccharides. Starch, cellulose, and glycogen are polysaccharides. Fats are compounds of fatty acids and glycerol. They produce more energy per gram than carbohydrates. Proteins serve as the building material. They are essential for growth, repair, and reproduction. Proteins are made up of simple basic units called amino acids. Minerals are the main building material of bones and teeth. Sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are macroelements. Copper, cobalt, iron, and iodine are microelements. Vitamins are organic compounds regularly required in minute quantities in the diet for normal metabolism, health, and growth. Vitamins are classified into fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins. Vitamin A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble vitamins. Vitamin B complex and vitamin C are water-soluble vitamins. Water serves as a good medium for various metabolic reactions. It forms about 70% of the body weight. Role of important minerals in the diet. Minerals are the main building material of bones and teeth. The important role of minerals in the diet is listed here. Deficiency of vitamins in food. The various types of vitamins, their new chemical names and deficiencies are listed here. Tests for nutrients. Test for glucose. When a mixture of glucose and Benedict solution is heated, the color of the solution undergoes change from transparent blue to blue-green and finally brick red. Formation of red precipitate indicates presence of glucose. Test for starch. When a few drops of dilute iodine solution is added to either starch powder or a food rich in starch, the blue-black coloration obtained indicates the presence of starch. Test for sucrose, cane sugar. Sucrose fails to react with Benedict solution unless boiled with dilute hydrochloric acid and neutralized with sodium bicarbonate. The color of the solution changes from blue to blue-green and finally brick red. Test for proteins. When a mixture of hard-boiled egg and dilute nitric acid is boiled and then a few drops of ammonium hydroxide is added, the color of the mixture changes from white to yellow and then dark yellow. This color change indicates the presence of protein in foodstuff. Test for fats and oils. A simple test to determine the presence of fats is to rub a food substance on a piece of paper. The rubbing leaves a permanent greasy mark on the paper, which then becomes translucent when seen against light. Protein malnutrition. Insufficient supply of nutrients to the body causes diseases like kwashiorkor and marasmus. Kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is a protein deficiency disease. It commonly affects infants and children between 1 to 3 years of age. Common symptoms are underweight, slurred growth, poor brain development, protruding belly, slender legs, and bulging eyes. Marasmus. It is a form of prolonged protein energy malnutrition. It affects infants under 1 year of age. Common symptoms are muscle degeneration, disappearance of subcutaneous fat, their limbs dry thin and wrinkled.